Video we are going to see practical number 7 of web page designing with HTML subject. The practical is create a web page to link an external page of different websites email ID and change the colors of links. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Belle. So let us understand some theoretical concept. Now first is how to create the web page to link an external page of different website. Now when we have to link the external website, then we have to use anchor tag with hrefs attribute, and the website what we have to link, that website we have to mention here. The value of hrefs attribute will be the website where we have to link the page. Okay, now when we run this program, what will happen? Samartha Polytechnic will appear on the web page, and when we click this Samartha Polytechnic text, then this website will be open. Now next point, create a web page to link an email ID. Now for linking an email ID to the web page, we have to use anchor tag once again with hrefs attribute, but the value is mail to colon, and next part is our email ID for which we have to link the web page. Okay, now for example, here example is given here. Suppose anchor tag here hrefs attribute mail to colon, the mail ID where we have to send the data, that mail ID should be mentioned. For example, here is mentioned that is abc@xyz.com, question mark. After the question mark, we can mention the subject along with the that mail. Okay, the same subject will be appear for the mail, and here email me, anchor tag complete. So when we click the email me text, then what will happen? This page will link to the email ID page in which mail is sent to the abc@xyz.com with subject is regarding program. Okay, now next part. Now next part is the tags to change the colors of link. Now let us understand what are the colors, by default colors of the visited link, unvisited link and active link. By default the color for the unvisited link is underline and blue. The color of visited link is underline and purple, and the color of active link is underline and red. This is the colors. Now let us see the questions from the manual. The first question is write a HTML code to link an external page of different websites like yahoo.com or google.com using URL. Now very simple concept, what we have to use? We have to use anchor tag with hrefs attribute, and whatever the website like google.com or yahoo.com that we have to link, that website URL should be mentioned here. After that, I have used the target attribute intentionally because when we click this text, click to switch Google, what should be happen? This website will be open in new tab. Why it is possible? Because of the attribute target which having the value underscore blank. Now let us run this program. Practically we'll see the implementation. Now here one of the example is given. When we click on the second page, this website will be open. Now in the same way another example is given. Now let us see this example. Now in this example hrefs I have mentioned here google.com URL, target blank for opening in the new tab, and here the click to the switch google.com. Now let us run the program. For running the program, open run tab, launch in Chrome. Now new web browser should be open here. Now the page is loading. Now here click to the switch Google. If we see this, then here appearing click to switch Google. When we click this page, then new tab is open, and that new tab will open the page of the google.com. Okay, for this program you should have the internet connection to your computer or laptop. Now this page is open. Okay, now let us see the next question. Now the next question is apply tags to change the colors of links. Now we have to change the colors of link. Now by default the colors are different, but right now we have to apply the different color. Now for this part we have to use the CSS part, that is we have to use the style tag, and inside the style tag we have to change the value of anchor tag or link text. Now here a colon link color colon green. Now this statement will set the default color for the link, that is a green. Okay, now here a colon visited color colon pink. Now what happens when the link is clicked? When link is clicked and new page is visited, at that time the color of the link become pink. Now A:H over color red. Now when we move the mouse cursor over the link, at that time color should become red. And A:active color dot yellow. When we click the link, at that time only the link color become yellow. Now many times the students are confused between active and visited. Now the pink color will become when new page is opened. At that time the color will be pink, and once we click, at that instant only the link color will become yellow. Now here body tag is given. Now here you can change the default value of color, paragraph tag value. Now here HTML images, this text will be appear. Once we click this text, we are opening the yahoo.com website with new tab. Okay, but the color will be changed. Now let us run this program. We'll see the practical implementation of this program. Now here let us see the program of this page. Now this is a program text.html. Now here all the things that we mentioned in the slide that written here. Now let us run the program. Run, launch in Chrome. Now if we see this program, now when I am moving the mouse cursor over this link, the color become red. Why? Because here written H over color red. Now once I click, if we see carefully, when I click here, color become yellow. Why? Because here written color A:active color yellow. Okay. Now next, now once we click, this color become, what the color will be of this link? The color become pink. Now why? Because here written visited color pink. Now here color green should be appear, but it is not appear in this page because I already linked or clicked this link, so that color is in the pink, but by default it should be in green. Okay, this is a practical demonstration of this practical. Now let us see the next slide. Now next question is a differentiate between active link and visited link. Now active link is a hyperlink that is clicked and currently being fetched by the browser, and visited link is a page that has been visited recently. Now I already told you that active link having the color that is changed for the very short time, and visited link means what? The page that has been visited recently, and that color will appear after visiting that page. Okay, active link that has been clicked and currently being fetched by the browser, and visited is a link that has been visited recently. Now next question, what is the different types of the URL? There are two types of URL, absolute URL and relative URL. Now URL means uniform resource locator, but absolute URL means what? The URL which contain the domain name as well as directory path. And relative URL means which contain the path but it does not contain the domain name, then it is called as a relative URL. Now next question, explain the use of the title attribute of the anchor tag. Now what is the use of title attribute? Title attribute is used for giving the name to the link. Okay, or it is used for the describe the purpose of the link. Title attribute on an anchor element provide additional text describing the link. The title attribute is used to provide the additional information to clarify the further describe the purpose of link. It describes the purpose of the link. Now here example is given A, reference http://sar.org, title Samartha College, here Samartha Polytechnic, then anchor tag will be completed. When we run this program, what we found? Let us see the program when we run this program. Now here we can see this program. When we run this program, let us see this program. When we run this program, Now here the Samartha Polytechnic text. When we move the cursor over, it describes the link, that is Samartha College. When we move here, the name is appear Samartha College. That means it is a title text that will be appear. If you see this output, when we move the mouse cursor over Samartha Polytechnic, Samartha College will be appear. Okay. Now one practical demonstration is remain, that is a email ID. Okay. So let us see one problem statement, that is the email ID, where we have to see now how to send the email. That thing was remained, the link the web page to your email address. Now how to link your web page to email address, let us see. Now here, when we have to link the web page to your email address, then you have to use anchor tag with hreference attribute. Here mail to, the name of mail ID, then the question mark, then the subject. Okay. Now let us try to run this program. Here this program has been written. Okay. Now when we are running this program, launch in the Chrome. Okay. Now this URL, this text will be appear. Okay. And when we click this page, so what will happen, this page will be open. When we click the page, the Gmail page will be open, and this Gmail page is open. After opening that page, what will happen, the mail ID is mentioned. What the mail ID is mentioned, maheshpokharkar5@gmail.com. This mail ID will be appear in the sender list, and the subject will appear in the subject list regarding program. So let us see whether it is opening or not. Now it is a Gmail page. It taking little bit more time due to internet connectivity, but we'll come to the output part immediately. Just wait for the 2 minutes. Okay, thanks, it will be open. Now here see, a subject is regarding program, that will be appear here, and the mail ID maheshpokharkar5@gmail.com. Now we can type here content, directly place the send button, the content will be sent. Why it is maheshpokharkar5@gmail.com is appear here, because in this program we have mentioned here mail to maheshpokharkar5@gmail.com. Okay. And why here subject is appear regarding program, or here is subject is appear regarding program, because in this program we have mentioned here, after putting the question mark, subject is equal to regarding program. Because of that, the subject is included here. Okay. So all of this what we have seen, this is from the practical number 7. Okay. So I hope that you understand it. Okay, let us review all the part one by one once again, so that you can understand clearly this practical number 7. Create a web page to link an external page of different website. Then create a web page to link an email ID. Then tags to change the color of links. Then HTML code to link an external page, to link the sites of yahoo.com, google.com. Link the page to your email address. Then apply tags to change the color of links. Then what is the difference between active link and visited link. Then list the different types of URL. Then explain the use of title attribute of anchor tag with example. This is example output. Okay, so I hope that you understand all the things. Okay, so let us stop it. Thank you.